Good morning. Okay, today video, magluluto tayo ng ampalaya. This is a different menu. They have to take the olive oil to the garlic. Okay. And then I have to put this onions. Ito ang base kasi na gagawin ko is oil. Oil base kasi siya. Lagi ko ng olive oil base sa talaga. Ito ang dami kong ilalagay. Na namin ang ampalaya. Okay. Tapos ilalagay ko na itong ampalaya. Okay. Yung iba ginagamit nila ordinary oil. Ito para hindi ka masuya. Pagkakainin mo, para olive oil is the best. Ganyan lang. Sabi mo lang siya sa garlic, onions, olive oil, tapos ilagay mo na yung palaya. Make it cook na palaya. Tapos magluluto kami yung dory later, is today. Ito yung serve niya. Nalagyan ko siya ng chicken powder. It was a little bit pepper. So, gusto ko dito yung hindi masyadong luto para pag kinakain mo, meron siyang crunchiness. Okay. I have to put more oil. Tapos, ang ilalagay ko, it's salted egg. Look at this, no? Put the salted egg. This is real salted egg, na minash. Yeah. Mix it like this. Sarap. Wow. Hey. Hindi pa ako pwedeng kumain. Nagugutom na ako. Kailangan ko kasi magpa-ultrasound. What do you think about this, ate? This is your first time, di ba? Para matikman to.
Opo.
Kasi kami lagi na namin kinakain ko sa ano yan. Sa Lugang Cafe. Tingin ko mas masarap itong niluto ko. Yun na to. Okay. That's it. Ganun lang. It's so easy. The ingredient is the ampalaya. And then you have to saute with olive oil, garlic, and onions. And then mix it. Ilagay yung ampalaya. Tapos little bit pepper. And then ilagay mo na yung salted egg. Bon appetit!